Several Ajit Pawar-led NCP leaders and corporators from Pimpri Chinchwad joined Sharad Pawar-led NCP SCP at his residence in Pune. NCP's Pimpri Chinchwad unit chief Ajit Gavhani has also joined the party. Three other senior leaders of the NCP Pimpri Chinchwad unit have also quit the party. Prathamesh on the telecast with me. Prathamesh, what's the latest that's coming in at this point of time? We're learning that a lot of leaders have now left the NCP Ajit Pawar faction and sort of moved towards the Sharad Pawar faction.
Yes, correct. The NCP Pimpri Chinchwad unit chief Ajit Gavhani has left NCP Ajit Pawar faction, and now he went to Sharad Pawar with Sharad Pawar, as with just he didn't went alone, but with the several leaders of the NCP from Pimpri Chinchwad has went with the Sharad Pawar. So this is a really big development, as soon the Vidhan Sabha election are also going to be in Maharashtra, and before that this big development is coming. So this is really shocking news for the Ajit Pawar faction as well, that some of the leaders have left the NCP and they went to Sharad Pawar. As before that they have left the Sharad Pawar faction and they went with Ajit Pawar, and now they are going with again with the Sharad Pawar. So this is really a big development in the politics from Maharashtra as well. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon. For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.